Hello everyone, welcome to English Tutorials by Poonam Thakur. Today we will be learning about determiners and I hope you will enjoy today's session. In English, determiners are important for proper sentence structure and comprehension. Determiners are important because they work to clarify nouns and make a sentence as precise and focused as possible. In this video, we will go over the definition of a determiner, discuss the types of determiners, and explore the uses of determiners. So let's get started. Let's start. We already know what are nouns or naming words. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word that refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Like in these sentences here, I live in a house with an orange roof. The dog is sitting on the carpet. I have some milk in the pot. In these sentences, words like house, orange, dog, carpet, milk, and pot are nouns. Now let's look at the words that are there before the nouns. Words like a, an, the, some are known as determiners. Determiners are words that modify nouns. In other words, determiners are words that can be used before nouns to determine or to modify their meaning. Determiners function like adjectives. They are also called as fixing words and they tell us how many or how much. Characteristics of determiners. They are used to determine what or who we are talking about, define something or someone, state the number or amount of people, things, or other nouns, state possessives, state someone or something that is specific or general, state the difference between nouns. Let's take a few moments to look at the different types of determiners. The type of determiner used depend on the type of the noun. Singular nouns always need a determiner. For plural nouns and uncountable nouns, the determiner is optional. Determiners can be classified into six main categories. They include definite and indefinite articles, the, an, demonstratives, words like this, that, these, those are used before a noun to determine its position. Possessives, adjectives like my, his, hers, you, yours, their, one's are used to indicate possession. Distributive, adjectives such as each, every, either, neither are used to talk about how something is shared out or divided. Quantifiers, words like few, a few, little, some, many, much, any, several, both, etc., indicate the quantity of noun. Cardinals and numbers are usually included under quantifiers only, but here I have explained them separately. Cardinal adjectives like 1, 2, 3, etc. are used in counting and answer the question how many. Ordinal adjectives like first, second, third, fourth, etc. denote the position or order of a person or thing in a series. For example, Ram is sitting in the third row. Next, we have interrogatives, questions and defining words like which, what, whose are interrogative determiners as they are usually used to ask questions. Articles a and an are indefinite articles as they don't refer to a specific noun, whereas the is a definite article as it refers to a definite noun. A is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a girl, a spoon, a chair, a book. An is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an orange, an umbrella. The definite article the is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. The definite article the is used when we refer to some particular place, a thing, or a person. For example, the sun, the moon, the blue sky, or I can give you a sentence over here. The book you want is not available. So here we are not talking about any book, but a particular book. We say the before a consonant sound, for example, the village. We say the before a vowel sound, for example, the entire ground, the elephant. Remember, articles are words that define a noun as specific or general. Consider the following examples. Let's read the book. Here we are talking about a specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. Let's check second example. I want an apple. It shows us that the speaker does not want a specific apple. He can have any apple. I want the green apple. In the sentence, we find the article the. It shows us that the speaker wants a specific apple. Demonstratives. The demonstrative adjective in a sentence will come just before a noun or pronoun and show where an object or person is in relation to the speaker. The most common demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. Demonstratives tell us how near or far the noun is from the speaker. For example, Jenny lives in this house. The word this suggests that the house is near to the speaker, and it also indicates that there is only one house. That horse runs very fast. The word that clearly indicates that the noun horse is far from the speaker and is singular. We use this and that before singular nouns, and we use these and those before plural nouns. This and these refer to objects or items nearby, while that and those refer to objects far away. Let's revise. There are only four demonstrative adjectives. This refers to a single person, place, or thing that is near the speaker. For example, this is my book. Here, this is demonstrative. It tells that the noun is singular and near to the speaker. That is my car. It suggests that noun is far from the speaker and singular. These is used for plural nouns in close proximity. These are my books. Here these suggests that the noun is plural and near to the speaker. Those is used for plural nouns at greater distance. Those are my friends. Here determiner those tells that the noun is plural and it's away from the speaker. Possessives. Possessive determiners or possessive adjectives tell us who owns something. The possessive adjectives like my, our, your, his, her, their, and its are used to indicate possession or to show whom a thing belongs to. We use a possessive adjective or determiner before a noun to show who owns the noun we are talking about. For example, this is my book. The word my is possessive determiner as it suggests that the book belongs to the speaker. Let's check out the other examples. My story is interesting. She's washing her hair. Their team has won the match. Your sister is absent today. Our house is beautiful. Just focus on the underlined words my, her, their, your, our. They all are possessive adjectives and they come before a noun and show who owns the noun we are talking about. We use different possessive determiners depending on who owns the things we are talking about. Subject I will be changed into my, we will become our, you will become your, they becomes their, he becomes his, she becomes her, my, her, his, and its are used with singular nouns, while our and their are used with plural nouns. Your can be used with either singular or plural nouns depending on the sense. Dear students, today we learned about three main types of determiners: articles, demonstratives, and possessives. We will learn more types of determiners in my next lecture. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching right till the end. So if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. And if you are happy with my presentation, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give your valuable comments. Keep watching English tutorials by Poonam Thakur.